Without Georgia Tech's involvement, we would not be where we're at today.
Every small business could use somebody like that. Like, it's amazing that there is an organization that can help.
For the investment we made in it, it's paid off 20-fold at least.
I would tell anyone who has the opportunity, whether you think you'll like it or not, to try it. It will open your eyes to things you did not know.
I've worked with a lot of consultants over the years in other companies, and you end up with a to-do list that sits on a shelf or in a drawer somewhere, and you really haven't done anything. All you're left with is doing more work when they're gone. The great thing about Georgia Tech MEP is they roll up their sleeves and they get to work, and they leave you with the solution already implemented.
The impacts and results we've seen from the training with Georgia MEP has been amazing. Our turnover has dropped. We have become more efficient due to our turnover rates dropping. We even picked up some massive customers that never did business with us, but see how we're doing things and how good we are. This training will be a part of what we do in many years to come.